Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the top 5 best dash cams on AliExpress 2026, featuring 4K recording, GPS tracking, Wi-Fi connectivity, night vision, parking monitoring, voice control, and advanced safety features. If you want better driving security, accident protection, or high-quality road recording, these dash cams are definitely worth checking out. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump right into the list. Number 1. AZDOME M550 Max 4K Dash Cam. Taking the number 1 spot is the AZDOME M550 Max. This dash cam combines premium features with excellent value. 4K Ultra HD recording, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi support, night vision, 24-hour parking monitor, rear camera support, large 3.18-inch screen. The camera performs very well during both daytime and nighttime driving. Pros: excellent video clarity, reliable GPS and Wi-Fi, user-friendly interface, strong night vision, great overall value. Cons: mobile app could be better. Parking mode may require extra wiring. The AZDOME M550 Max offers the best balance between features, performance, and price, making it our top pick for 2026. Number 2. WOLFBOX M40 4K Dash Cam. Next, we have the WOLFBOX M40. This premium dash cam features 4K front recording, 1080p rear camera, ADAS driver assistance, voice control, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and built-in GPS. The video quality is very smooth and the smart driving features add extra convenience and safety. Pros: excellent front and rear quality, smart ADAS features, reliable GPS performance, smooth app connectivity, modern design. Cons: ADAS may need setup adjustments, premium price compared to basic models. The WOLFBOX M40 is a fantastic option for drivers who want both safety features and high-quality recording. Number 3. TiESFONG i7 Pro 4CH GPS Dash Cam. This dash cam is built for maximum coverage with front 4K or 2K recording, 3 additional 1080p cameras, 360-degree style monitoring, infrared night vision, GPS tracking, Wi-Fi connectivity, 24-hour parking mode. Pros: incredible multi-camera coverage, strong night vision performance, great for security-focused drivers, useful parking monitoring, ideal for large vehicles. Cons: more cables to install, requires larger memory storage. The TiESFONG i7 Pro is perfect for users who want advanced security and near-complete vehicle monitoring. Number 4. KAWA Mini 7 Pro 4K Dash Cam. Next, we have the KAWA Mini 7 Pro. This compact dash cam offers 4K Ultra HD recording, HDR video enhancement, Wi-Fi 6 support, GPS tracking, voice control, and mobile app connectivity. Its mini design makes it almost invisible behind the mirror, which is perfect for clean car setups. Pros: compact and stylish design, sharp 4K recording, fast wireless connection, easy app control, good value for the money. Cons: small display, rear camera sold separately in some versions. If you want a compact yet powerful dash cam, the KAWA Mini 7 Pro delivers impressive performance for the price. Number 5. 70Mi T800E 3-channel dash cam system. Last, we have the 70Mi T800E, a powerful 3-channel dash cam system designed for full protection inside and outside your car. This model records front camera in 4K, rear camera in 1080p, interior camera in 1080p. It also includes HDR technology, GPS tracking, Wi-Fi 6, voice control, and a supercapacitor for better heat resistance and reliability. Pros: excellent 3-camera coverage, clear day and night recording, reliable parking monitoring, premium build quality, great for Uber or taxi drivers. Cons: slightly expensive, installation may take time. The 70Mi T800E is an excellent choice if you want complete security coverage with premium smart features. Alright guys, that wraps up our list of the top 5 best dash cams on AliExpress 2026. From budget-friendly options to premium 4K dash cams with GPS, night vision, Wi-Fi, and full 360-degree coverage, there's something here for every driver. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, comment your favorite dash cam below, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AliExpress gadget reviews and tech videos. Thanks for watching, stay safe on the road, and I'll see you in the next one.